Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about why you should start developing applications using Flutter. If you're new to the world of mobile app development, you may be wondering which framework or platform to use. And if you're looking for a framework that offers a great combination of performance, ease of use, and flexibility, then Flutter is definitely worth considering. First and foremost, Flutter is an open-source framework created by Google that allows you to build high-performance, visually attractive apps for both iOS and Android with a single codebase. This means that you can save time and resources by not having to develop separate versions of your app for different platforms. Additionally, since it is based on the Dart programming language, it is very easy to learn, even if you are new to programming. Another great thing about Flutter is its fast development cycle. With Flutter's hot reload feature, you can see the changes you make to your code in real time, without having to manually rebuild and redeploy the app. This can significantly speed up the development process and make it more efficient. This feature is also great for debugging, making it much easier to find and fix bugs in your code. Flutter also has a rich set of customizable widgets that allow you to create a unique and visually stunning app. The framework has a large community of developers who contribute to it, and there are many pre-built libraries and packages available to help you add features to your app quickly and easily. This feature makes it much easier to add animations, gestures, and other interactive elements to your app, which can help to make it more engaging and user-friendly. Flutter is also suitable for all types of applications, whether it's a simple or complex app. Companies such as Alibaba, Google Ads, and Reflectly all use Flutter. This is a testament to its capabilities and the trust that big companies have in it. In conclusion, if you're looking to start developing mobile apps, Flutter is a great choice. It's open source, has a fast development cycle, and offers a wide range of customizable widgets. With its growing popularity and support from a large community of developers, it's a great tool to help you create high-performance, visually appealing apps for both iOS and Android. Additionally, its ease of use and flexibility make it a perfect choice for developers of all skill levels. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your decision-making process. We encourage you to give Flutter a try and see how it can benefit your app development. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this.